In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished graphic in Canva from start to finish. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. Canva will prompt you to pick a size, and this part matters because the right dimensions help your graphic look crisp where it's published. You can choose common presets like social media or poster, or set a custom size if you already know the exact width and height. If you're unsure, choose a preset that matches your goal and you can adjust later. On the left panel, you'll see templates. This is a quick way to start with a professionally designed layout. Browse by category, pick a style that fits your message, and swap out the placeholder text and images. If you prefer full control, skip templates and begin with a blank canvas. Next, open the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, lines, and illustrations. Drag items onto your canvas and use them to create structure and visual hierarchy. Simple shapes can frame text, guide the eye, and make your design feel balanced. You can search for specific icons and, if needed, adjust their colors to match your palette. Click text to add a heading, a subheading, or body text. Keep your message concise and remember that readability is key. Choose a clear font for body text and a bold, complementary font for headings. Avoid too many fonts. 2 is usually enough. You can resize text by dragging the corners and use alignment tools to keep things neat. If your design needs visuals, go to Photos and search for relevant stock images. Drag a photo into your layout and resize or crop it so it supports the message without overpowering it. Consider adjusting transparency or placing a subtle shape behind text to maintain contrast. Use the top toolbar to refine your design. Change colors to match your brand or theme, adjust fonts and sizes for a clean hierarchy, and align elements so everything sits neatly. Small tweaks like letter spacing and consistent margins make a big difference. If you want a touch of motion, click Animate. Choose a simple effect that enhances your message without distracting from it, especially if you plan to share this on social media. When you're happy with the result, click Download in the top right. Select PNG for high-quality images, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF if you're planning to print or share a document. Save your file, and you're done.